Once my reports are created and ready to go, the next thing that I will need to consider is how I'm going to distribute them. BizBroadcast is another BizNet software product that allows me to automate the refreshing and distribution of my reports. To do this, I open my BizBroadcast toolbar and select Load Broadcast. I would then select New Distribution Template to add a broadcast list tab to my report. Incidentally, I'm able to add a broadcast list to any Excel workbook, not just BizInsight reports. I would then create a distribution definition on each row by providing the information required by each column. First, I select my rendering format. I have 11 different formats to choose from PDF to Excel, regular or values only, and I can even select HTML and publish my reports to a web source. I can then choose to have it sent to any local or shared path to which I have access, including an FTP site if I'm publishing to the web. I can also distribute via email by typing an email address or selecting one from my local email address book. BizBroadcast integrates with my local mail application. I can use the selection column to designate which tabs I want to include in my distribution. I can choose one or all or any combination in between. Once I've designated a file name, I can specify additional parameters that I want to use to customize the report to my user's needs. Here I have included a tab in my workbook that contains my customer analysis report, which I'm able to filter by year, month, and territory. By designating specific values for each, I can ensure that I send each user a report that contains only the data that is pertinent to them. BizBroadcast will automatically create a separate tab for each combination of parameters that I have designated. I don't have to create and maintain these myself. I can simply have BizBroadcast do it for me on the fly whenever they are required. Here is my finished report in PDF format. Notice that each bookmark contains a separate version of the customer analysis report for each combination of parameters designated in my distribution list. I did not have to individually create or update these manually and combine them into a single PDF document. All I had to do was set up my list and click Run Now. I can even automate this process by selecting Set Schedule. I simply determine how frequently I want the report to run, from hourly to monthly, and then designate the start date and select OK. On the specified date, BizBroadcast will automatically open the report, refresh it, and then distribute it however I have designated in my distribution list.